It's game over. How could I have any fucking time with all this weight on my shoulder?
What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management. It's Saturday. That means it's the weekend. You guys know what that means. The weekend is where winners are made. The weekend is where empires are built. And today, let's talk about money, hustling, mindset, innovation, investing, all of that. But first, before we get into that, I want to make sure you guys are investing yourselves by clicking the like button. You guys are hustling by subscribing. You guys are making money by commenting. And obviously you guys are sharing these with your friends. So it helps you guys grow, it helps them grow, helps me grow, it helps us all grow, helps us all get better. So make sure you guys are liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, all the good stuff. Now, today I want to talk about two different people. And both of these people have a completely different mindset. Now, you may be one of these people, you may not be any of these people. I want to talk about two different people. Two people that are both given 2K each. The first one, he or she buys some nice clothes, some nice watches, goes out to eat, buys a few nice items to flex on everyone, shows off what they're eating, the restaurants they're going to on the gram, shows off their new outfits, all those sorts of things. You guys know probably a few of these kind of people. You might be this person, like I said. Now, that's fine. So you have that person. Now you have another person. He or she lives below their means, buys assets, and stays humble. Quiet. But anyway, both of these people have 2K. One person is wanting others to think that they're winning. The other is the one who's actually winning. So which one is the one who's winning? Is it the one who's buying designer clothes, nice watches, expensive cars, and flexing on everyone? Obviously, you guys know that's not the person who's winning. That is the person who's losing. But because you see that person online, on social media, shouting in your face, out on the streets, you think that is the person who's winning. However, it is the person who takes that 2K, invests in themselves, buys assets, stays quiet, stays humble, who's actually winning. That's a lesson for you guys today. There are people who will see your worth. There are people who will not see your worth. So I'm telling you, invest in yourself, and the people who see your worth will benefit you. The people who see your worth will come across you. The people who you see worth in, you see value in, you'll come across them. A lot of you want to, be attractive, build attraction, show people that you're attractive, that you've got something to offer. I'll tell you guys this today again. If you want to build real attraction, you want to create real attraction, first build yourself. Invest in yourself. Create yourself. Focus on building yourself, and the people you want to be chasing you will be chasing you. You'll get that success you really want. You'll get that overnight success. But to get it, you have to hustle. You have to put in the work. You have to do research. You have to invest in yourself. You have to take your time. Be patient. The success that you see from people gaining, the success that you want to gain overnight, unfortunately, guys, is built from long periods of hard work, success, hustling, investing in yourself, putting things, into action, executing stuff. Those are the kind of things which will build your long-term success. Everybody, sees these overnight successes and think, I want to be that. Why can't it be that easy? Well, maybe they are an overnight success, but it took them so long to build that success. That overnight was such a long period of time. But the initial work, you always have to put in. You're going to have to spend the time to create the life you want to live, to create, the person you want to be, and the person who will be attractive to other people, the person who will attract the right people in their lives. I know I don't want you to work too hard. You have to work smart as well. But you have to start off by working hard, putting in extra hours, really grinding, staying up when others are sleeping, waking up before others have woken up. Those are the sorts of things you're going to have to do. You're going to have to put in those efforts. You're going to have to put in that extra bit of effort. You're going to have to go the extra length to get to where you deserve to be. The harder you work, the sooner you'll realize you have to work smart. But you do both need hard work and smart work. Together, you'll be unstoppable. You put in a lot of hard work and effort in up front, and you'll get the reward you deserve in due time. Obviously, we're all going to go through periods of time where we're just, we feel like we can't go anymore, we can't do anymore, we put in so much hard work and we're not seeing results. Use that hard work, add the smart work to it, combine the two, and you're going to elevate. You're going to move forward. You're going to keep going. Yes, it won't be fun. You'll stay broke for long periods of time. Yes, you won't see results right away, but in the long term, you will see the results you deserve, as long as you put the hard work with the smart work and combine them. You get that 2K, are you going to be the person who flexes on everyone, buys the designer clothes, buys the nice watches, and shows off the lifestyle? Or are you going to be the quiet, humble one, the one who's using their money to build themselves, the one who's using their time to build themselves, the one who's creating another source of income, the one who's creating passive income, the one who's helping themselves, the one who's creating something which is going to be automated, the one who's bringing in revenue from different sources? It's up to you. As always, we're all different. We all see things differently. Some people want to be that person who uses 2K to look like they're succeeding, living well, enjoying life. Others will use that 2K and quietly go about their business, to actually eventually enjoy life, live the life they want, create the life they need. So you will realize, if you're the person who uses the 2K to flex and buy the designer clothes, after 1 year, you'll still be broke. You'll still have, not much going for you. You'll still struggle to maintain the lifestyle you seem to keep up with. The lifestyle you actually can't keep up with. The other person, guess what? Over the 2-year period, maybe a 5-year period, they would have used that 2K and flipped it to 20K. It doesn't matter who you are, doesn't matter what you do, eventually the best will always rise to the top. The real will always come out. It's about authenticity in the long run. And if you use the money right, you won't need to convince people that you're cool. You won't need to show off, you won't need to flex because people will see it in all that you do. Build yourself, forget about living cool and being cool. Do what's actually cool, which is providing yourself with more sources of income, focusing on building yourself, becoming who you want to be, becoming who you deserve to be. As always, I want to help at least one person become closer to financial freedom every single day. One person more aware, more financially aware, more knowledgeable. One person who actually sees their own potential and actually pushes towards their goals and dreams. So make sure today that person is you. As always, check out the links in the description, including my smartwatch brand, TimeGate watches. Also go and check out the other free links there. Make sure you guys are liking, like I said at the beginning of the video, subscribing, commenting, all the good stuff. It's the weekend. Go and hustle hard, go and create yourself a brighter future, a better future. You're indoors, you've got not much to do, so go and do it now. But that's today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching as always. I've been the Money Manager and I've got money to making. You got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.